Hey there, today I'll show you how to transfer money from Afterpay to Payoneer. It's very easy to do, just follow these steps. First, check your Afterpay balance. Before transferring money, log into your Afterpay account and check your available funds. Keep in mind that Afterpay is a payment service that allows you to make purchases in installments. So it does not function as a digital wallet where you can store money. However, if you have a refund or balance in your account, you can withdraw it. Withdraw funds from Afterpay to a bank account. Open the Afterpay app or website and sign in. Navigate to the payments and or account settings section. Look for the option to withdraw available funds. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, add your bank details and verify them. Select the amount you want to transfer and confirm the withdrawal. Afterpay will process the transaction, which may take a few business days to reflect in your bank account. Transfer money from your bank to Payoneer. Once the funds arrive in your bank account, follow these steps to move them to Payoneer. Log into your Payoneer account. Go to Receipt or Add Funds section. Select Bank Transfer as your funding method. Enter your bank details and add the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the transaction and wait for it to process. Payoneer may charge fees depending on your transfer method and currency conversion rates. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money from Afterpay to Payoneer.